27, 1989. She wore a coat of navy blue, a letter pressed against her chest that I could never read through. We shared a bench, a moment's breath. The train's whistle cut the air. She smiled and said, some paths we cross are never meant to share. Oh, the passerby, they come and go, like seasons turning fast or slow. They leave their footprints on our hearts, then vanish with the dark. But in the quiet of the night, I see their faces in the light. For some souls never really leave, they live in memories. Years have passed, the station's changed, new faces, new routines, but I still see her in the crowd, in strangers' eyes, in moonlit scenes. The letter's gone, the coat long worn, but the feeling still remains, that some encounters, brief and bright, outlive 1,000 days. We are all just passers-by in this grand parade of life, leaving fragments of our stories in the hearts of those we've touched. No goodbyes, just until we meet again, in the spaces between the now and then. For love is never truly lost, it just changes form. Last night I dreamt we met again. She didn't look a day older. Said some connections transcend time, they're not bound by when or colder. As the morning light broke through my window, I smiled and whispered, I know. For the passerby, they never really leave, they're woven in the fabric of our souls.
In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down complete, our love will never retreat. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete, our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
At 4 o'clock the sky was dim. Crabapple blooms danced on a whim. Their petals whispered in the breeze, a quiet ache that wouldn't cease. The moonlight kissed their fragile skin, a secret sorrow held within. I thought I saw them start to weep, for love they longed but couldn't keep. Oh, crabapple tears under the night, hiding love lost in pale moonlight. Your silent cries, they speak to me of hearts that ache and won't be free. The dew embraced their trembling stems, like stolen moments lost to them. Unspoken words in shadows crept, a story told where no one slept. Could it be love that makes them sigh, or dreams they had that passed them by? A wistful tune the night composed, of chapters closed and hearts exposed. Oh, crabapple tears under the night, hiding love lost in pale moonlight. Your silent cries, they speak to me of hearts that ache and won't be free.
Jet cuts through cotton candy clouds, so high by the window. My heart's adrift inside.
Headphones hum a love not yet confessed. Thoughts take flight 30,000 feet above. City lights fade like an old postcard. Dreams in my chest, stars to share.
In the quiet of the night, when the stars align so bright, I find myself lost in thoughts of a love that once delight. Love songs on the radio remind me of you so. Each note, each chord, a memory of all we had and all we lost. Your laughter, your smile, your touch, R.E. Oh, oh. Your laughter, your smile, your touch, R.E. Stars align so bright, I find myself lost in thoughts of a love that once delight. Love songs on the radio remind me of you so. Each note, each chord, a memory of all we had and all we lost. Your laughter, your smile, your touch, our echoes in my heart. In the quiet of the night, when the stars align so bright, I find myself lost in thoughts of a love that once delight. Love songs on the radio remind me of you so. Each note, each chord, a memory of all we had and all we lost. Your laughter, your smile, your touch, our echoes in my heart.
Radio plays a soft melody. Lyrics flow so tenderly, but every note, every sweet refrain brings me back to when we met again. Concerts roar, crowds sing along, but in the chaos I hear our song, the one we danced to in the kitchen small, our love story in each recall. Every love song reminds me of us. Memories flood like a sweet disgust. No matter where, no matter when, love songs play and you're my man, my man. Song reminds me of us, our moments sweet like a warm discuss. In chords and beats I find our trace. Love songs sing of our embrace, our embrace. breaks the floodgates of longing in an instant. I even forgot how to react. That familiar smile is just as it was before, but my reflection's no longer in your eyes. I hear my heart contract sharply, blood surging all in one direction through my veins. It turns out meeting again is a kind of torture, reminding me I lost you long ago. A few steps apart, yet centuries away. We're just like this, staring at each other, no going back. A long time no see, separate us from the once burning, scalding yesterday we shared. A long time no see, freezes all longing, leaving only polite, courteous small talk. I see another profile standing by your side, finally understanding we've long been parallel lines. A long time no see, hides how many nights I tossed and turned, missing you too much to dare disturb. In the end I can only smile and say, wish you happiness, swallowing all my heartbreak deep inside. Hearing you say you've been doing alright lately, asking if I'm still as willful as before. You say time is a curious thing, turning the one you loved most into just a stranger. Not until you wave and see you sometime reach me do I find my voice again. It turns out the farthest distance is